Did you know you can get Instagram followers with Facebook ads? Yes, you heard it right. Now you can get Instagram followers, as many Instagram followers you want with Facebook ads. Those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to generate around 34 million in revenue for my clients. For those who want me to run ads for their business, whether it's e-commerce or lead generation business, you can reach out to me using the link in description. So let's start the video. We all know we need Instagram followers when you are running Facebook ads for your business, right? And let me explain you why you need Instagram followers. To explain you why you need Instagram followers, first is to get the credibility. When somebody launch an ad, when somebody click on the ad, or they always try to check out your Instagram social, right? They want to see whether you are a new brand or you are a very established brand. And how you get to know is by knowing your Instagram followers. It's always good to have couple of hundred and thousand followers when you're starting out, right? Because it give you social proof, right? Like somebody is following you, you know that this brand is legitimate, right? So it's good to have good number of followers on Instagram. It will always help you in future when you have good amount of Instagram followers. It is same with previously, it was same with Facebook ads, right? When somebody click on Facebook page, they want to know whether you have uh, some kind of likes on Facebook page. We always prefer to buy from a Facebook page when it has some kind of like thousand likes or lakhs of likes, right? Or millions of likes, right? It is always good to see these things. One is credibility. It is good to have a set of new customers to your business. And when you have lot of followers on Instagram, you always get the credibility, and it is really for the person to buy from you. And previously, you can get Instagram followers by running Instagram ads through Instagram only, right? Where you can boost the post and select the objective to get the followers, right? Or profile visits. You can get the Instagram followers. But now there is a feature that has come up in Facebook Ads Manager where you can directly launch the campaign to get Instagram followers. Previously, you used to launch Facebook campaign to get the Facebook likes. But similarly, now you can also launch a campaign to get the Instagram followers. It's little bit different from the Facebook page likes. I'm going to show you whole process and what can you do to get the maximum out of it. It's not very really costly or something. You can start with really small budget and then you can go from there. So to start with, you need to hit the create button and go to the traffic. You will get to know why we are going through traffic campaigns. Hit the continue button. Right. I'm just going to name Instagram follower cam campaign. It's good to always name your campaigns so you know what kind of ads you are running. You don't need to change anything over here. Just keep it simple. Now, when we scroll down, we go to the conversion, right? Previously, there was no option to get Instagram profile, right? We will choose Instagram profile, send traffic to your Instagram profile. Choose this. This feature is, I guess, not available in all the ad accounts, but eventually you will start getting this feature because this ad account is based on New York, right? So this is available here. Like I guess it is available in United States and United Kingdom. You can check out in your traffic campaign and see if it is there or not, right? Let's go to Instagram profile, send traffic to your Instagram profile. You need to choose this, and I would suggest you to start really low. I guess two or three, I guess $3. You can even start with $5 also. And why I am saying this, I'll just tell you in a while. Let's do the $2. I always try to do things manually because I know what I'm trying to do. Right now, you have two options. Like there are two types of business. Right, it's a local or service based business or e-commerce business. Right, If you are running business that is in your local area, and you want the people to get to know about your service or your podcast, your local business, your real your any kind of local and small business in some particular location, always choose that location. Keep it small, right? And if you are a local business, choose your location and make it try to make it like not a very close radius, but a little bit of more radius. Increase the radius. Keep it open, and it's all about the business. If you are serving females, then choose women, right? But it is always recommended to go broader in this male and female, because there are males who try to provide service to try to get some business or some kind of thing for their partners, right? So it's always too good to have uh, gender open, right? You should keep it open. Whenever you are running ads for the local business, try to keep it as open as possible and let the algorithm run ads for you. Now we are going to talk about second set of ad set, right? Now now you can choose any interest also, if it is relevant for your business, or like solar installer, or solar system, solar energy utilities. So I'm telling you to test out different audience in this also, so that you get to know which audience is working, and then you can scale from those. And if it's like you are getting followers on $1, $2, and maybe more, right, or maybe less, you have the option to see which audience is giving us the results, and then from there you can start increasing the your budget. I will choose this for the sake of this video, solar energy, right? Duplicate this. Now I'm going to talk about the e-commerce. Here also, if you are targeting any specific country like United States, right, keep it minimum budget. Here, choose the correct state, right? You are running an e-commerce, you want to target whole United States, because e-commerce business can do business all over the globe. But if you want to target specific country, then you should start with United States, right? And from there, if it is gender specific, go with the correct gender, right? So now I'm going to tell you one more scenario. If you have couple of thousands of Instagram followers, then what you can do is create a custom audience of your Instagram account. Now uh, now what you need to do is create a lookalike audience from here, so that because we don't want to show our get follower ads to our existing customer, right? Make it as large as possible. So, you need to give some kind of source to the Facebook algorithm to see where to start with, right? Here I have launched the lookalike audience 10%. Try to make it as wide as possible, right? You can test it. It's not a big deal to just go with what I'm saying. I'm just showing you some kind of features that you can use to get some followers, reach people beyond like this. So that's why I telling you to start with small, because with small budget you can see and test multiple audiences, and whichever audience start to work, then go with that. Right. So what you can do is you can test open audience. Second is interest based audiences, and third is lookalike audiences. Right, to explore the area like where you're getting cheap Instagram followers and scale it from there. It is always good to run these kind of ads when you are running Facebook ads, because as you grow your Instagram followers, you will automatically see increase in the sales, right? Not now, but in the near future, you will definitely start getting sales. as we always try to promote Facebook conversion campaign with sales and lead campaigns. It's little bit different from this, right? Because you're running a traffic campaign, so don't be afraid to try different things. And this campaign is not related to any sales or lead, right, directly, but eventually when you start getting some good amount of followers and start running ads for conversion, then definitely it will help out the people who are going through your ad to see your social credibility, right? Now let's move to the ad section. And one more thing, always with the automatic placement. You don't need to do manual placement, because obviously when you're running this kind of ad, Facebook will always redirect you to the Instagram profile, so don't need to worry. Facebook is really smart. So now let's move to the ad section. What you can do is, I would always suggest you to run a short video ad, right? You can test out image ad also. When you launch a video ad, you can always have little bit of more messaging over there. You must have a call to action button to invite people to follow you on Instagram, right? Like a whole video, and in the end, and in the end section you can just say, for videos like this, follow my Instagram profile, follow me on Instagram. You can test out these different messaging, right? You can always use images, right, but it's always preferred to use a video over the image in these types of uh, campaign. So just choose the correct video, short video, nothing less. You don't need to have a crazy amount of ad testing over here. If you have some kind of followers on Instagram, just look at your feed and see what kind of ad, what kind of post gives you maximum number of likes and views, right? And put that using this existing post and see, select the post. You will get all the your Instagram post over here and select the one which has maximum views, right? And yeah, that's it. And put this existing post ad in all your ad sets, so you know which ad set is performing best. Generally it always works, right? It's I haven't seen anybody that is not able to get Instagram followers from this. But I would suggest you to do test out little bit different things. And if you run five audiences over here, like if you have five ad set or three ad sets, and you are spending $5 per ad set, so it's like 15 or 20. If you have more, $15 or $20 maximum. And if you want to start really low with this, you can just start with $2 per ad set and launch four or five. That will lead to 10 or 8 USD. So it's not a really big amount that you are spending. It's always good to have some kind of followers on Instagram. That really helps you in future. I hope this video helps you. Thank you for watching.